Hey everyone, if your SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 microphone isn't working, don't stress. This is usually a simple setup or software issue, not a broken headset. Start with the physical checks. Make sure the 3.5mm cable is pushed in all the way on both ends, and double check that the retractable mic is fully pulled out. If it's pushed in even slightly, the microphone stays muted. Next, move to your system settings. On Windows, right-click the sound icon, open Sound Settings, and set the Arctis Nova 1 or your Realtek headset input as the default recording device. Then check microphone privacy settings and confirm apps are allowed to access your mic. If you're using SteelSeries Good Game or Sonar, make sure the correct microphone input is selected. Sometimes Sonar's noise filtering can interfere, so try disabling it briefly to test. For Windows 11 users, one fix solves a huge number of cases. Open the Realtek Audio Console, go to Advanced Device Settings, and change the jack from headphone to headset. This allows the system to recognize the mic properly. If the mic still doesn't work, update your audio drivers through Device Manager or reinstall SteelSeries Good Game to clear corrupted settings. In most cases, once the software is aligned correctly, the Nova 1 mic works perfectly again.